in north-central Texas, eastern Navarro County in north-central Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Alma, or near Ennis, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Ennis, Gun Barrel City, Maybank, Toole, Cairns, 7 Points, Camp, Trinidad, Bardwell, Angus, Alma, Enchanted Oaks, Navarro, Bardwell Lake, Flag Lake, Lake Calvert, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Richland Chambers Reservoir, and Trinidad Lake. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 223 and 252. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Double matter?